Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on Wi-Fi in our Samsung Galaxy A55. So the easiest way to turn on our Wi-Fi is to swipe from the top, and here we have our Wi-Fi. We can turn it on or off by simply tapping this shortcut. If it's not here, we can tap and hold this option and it will take us to this menu. We can go here by going to our settings, then connections, and at the top we have our Wi-Fi. So to turn it on, we simply select this box, and if we previously had connected to the internet, it will be on. Or we can of course choose one of our networks from there. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.